Hey friends, this is Harpreet and welcome to my channel Harry Style. Today I'm going to do this jade green eye look, so let's get started. To conceal my eyes, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and applying it all over my eyelid and blending it with the fingers. Then using Johnson Baby Powder to set this concealer so that it doesn't crease. Then taking this warm light brown shade from the Jaclyn Morphe palette and applying it all over my crease area and in the outer V. Then taking this warm dark brown shade and applying it on my crease area just to give the depth to the eyes. Then I'm taking this turquoise green color and applying it all over my lid area but below the crease area. Then I'm taking this jade green color and applying it on my outer V and inner V of the eyes. Then I'm taking this sparkly jade green color from the palette and applying it just on the eyelid area. Then again I'm taking this jade green color and applying it on my lower lash line. Then I'm taking this first shade from the palette and applying it to my inner corner of the eyes and also applying it on my brow bones to highlight. Then I'm taking Nykaa's ROCK THE LINE kajal and tight lining my upper and lower lash line. Then taking Lakme Insta liner and applying a wing liner. After applying false lashes, I'm applying Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara on my upper and lower lashes. And here is the final look. I hope you like this video, so if you do so then please click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon. Bye.